Of all the times the bell could go off. Alright, anyway, hello, welcome to video 36 from Mr. McGee's biology class at Arizona School for the Arts. Today we'll be talking about the major mechanism for evolution, natural selection. So natural selection is often described as survival of the fittest, but really this description is a bit misleading. To begin with, survival is only one part of what's important about natural selection. A successful organism not only has to survive in its environment, but it should also reproduce, and preferably it should reproduce a lot. In fact, many of the most successful organisms have really short lives, but reproduce quickly and in large numbers. So I think we can just scratch this guy off the list. Anyway, so which is more successful? A tortoise that can live for more than 100 years, or some rodent that won't even live past 1 or 2 years? Well, it turns out there's only about 200 species of tortoise in the world, but more than 2,200 species of rodent. And also, tortoises are restricted to really good habitats, like in tropical or subtropical regions of the world, where temperatures are consistently warm and there's plenty of food. Rodents, on the other hand, are everywhere. Seriously, everywhere. Check in your junk drawer in your house right now. I've got $10 that says there's a rodent in there. Clearly, natural selection favors organisms that can reproduce in abundance, which is why we need a better description of natural selection. And I think the natural selection, I like to think of natural selection as differential reproductive success. This basically means that some individuals in a population are going to have more offspring than others. And we'd expect an organism that's well suited to its environment to be good not only at survival, but also at reproduction. Natural selection works on the variations, however small, that naturally occur within a population. Since mutations are the main source of variation, mutation then provides the raw materials on which natural selection works. Another major factor of natural selection is competition. Resources are always limited in any environment, and as a result, individuals have to compete for food or water or shelter or mates every single day of their lives. Again, individuals that are well suited to their environment will be able to outcompete others for the resources that they need. And as a result, these successful individuals pass on more copies of their genes to successive generations. The main outcome of natural selection is adaptation, structures or behaviors that help an organism survive and reproduce in their environment. When you see an organism that is perfectly camouflaged or covered in a suit of armor, or incredibly dangerous, you're looking at the product of evolution by natural selection. All right, thanks for listening. Make sure you complete the comprehension questions for this video, and as always, here's your bunny of the day.